Manipur Police Department da Sub Inspector oina thabak tawriba Okram Jotingi Nifunithoirak Suba Mapok Numitka Mari Leinana voluntary piba mid screening health checkup tawba yauna Nongmagi Oiba health awareness camp ama ngasi Thobal Okram Community Hall da Pangthokkhre Thobal Okram Laikai da leiba Ningsing Home Development Organization gi mityeng makhada Okram Youth Club India Red Cross Society Thobal Branch Associate for Voluntary Blood Donors Manipur Thobal Branch amasung imong manungna Department of Transfusion RIMS amasung Scarlet Eye Care and Contact Lens Clinic Thobal ga khutsamnaraga punna sinduna pangthokhiba thauram aduda Manipur Police Department gi DIG Range 2 Jogesh Chandra Haubizam Indian Red Cross Society Thobal Branch ki Vice President Dr. KSH Manglem Ningsing Home Development Organization gi Secretary Sub Inspector Okram Jotin Thobal District Working Journalists Union gi President Soibam Binoy Thobal Municipal Council Ward No. 1 Councillor Srimati Okram Inautombi Devi amasung Association for Voluntary Blood Donors Manipur Thobal Branch ki President Srimati L Sanatombi Devi na Presidium members sing oina saruk yaki Health Awareness Camp adu pangthokpagi nunggi oiba warol piraduna Ningsing Home Development Organization ki Secretary gi Thausu Puriba SI Jotina Ningsing Home Development Organization asi karigi lingkhatkibano haibadu sandokna thamki Miyoibagi punsida haibasi khwaidagi maru oiba amani haiba asida birthday gi mingda cake kakpa isai nongmai tauba amadi chabi thakpi tauba adugi mahuta aikhoigi hakselbu fana thamnabagi pandamda voluntary piba mid screening tauba amadi lemna ana layingbagi thauramasi pangthokpani haiki DIG Range 2 Jogesh Chandra Haubizamnasu Jotingi Mapok Numitki yaifa paujel piraduna mahakna pangthokliba health awareness camp asi yamna afaba thabak amani matung tarakpa chahi singdasu henna pak chauna pangthokpa ngamba oisanu haina thamki